Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Shay coming back at you with some fitness tips. Today I'm going to talk to you about foam rolling. Take you through one of the little sequences I like to do with most of my clients. Obviously, y'all, if you have some issues with your back, have some issues with your spine, you got some different vertebrae problems you might be going through, whether that's discs or the actual vertebrae themselves, or if you have any ruptures, you're going to make sure you're careful of this. It could be contraindicative, which basically means you shouldn't be doing it. So for those of you that are healthy and those of you that need some stretching, and if you have tightness and you've been cleared by a physical therapist and you don't have any major issues, foam rolling can be really good, not only for the myofascial release and self-massage aspect of it, but also for stretching. So I'll take you through some of the things I like to start people with. Especially in the mid-back for the thoracic spine, it's a good way to get a nice little stretch. So go here, kind of cross over chest or support the neck, all right? And you can kind of just reach and stretch, okay? If you need to support your neck, or just try to stay here. Breathe deep and try to relax. If you're not breathing, your muscles aren't going to relax. You're not going to be able to actually get that full, nice, complete stretch in. A couple deep breaths. I like to hold that for about 30 seconds, maybe 60, even longer. Sometimes I'll foam roll 10, 20, 30 minutes. Then we can go from there, rolling out those muscles. What I like to tell people is use the foam roller. Don't let it use you, all right? So if you're getting too tired moving your body weight around, just kind of sit up and shift the foam roller. Don't shift your whole body. And you can kind of stay in that little space, 3 to 4 seconds, try to find some spots, stretch out. You can go all the way into the lower back as long as, like I said, you don't have any major disc injuries or any major issues with muscle. Kind of stretch out, start here on the back. Go all the way into rolling into the lats, which are always a sensitive spot. Try to relax as much as possible. Again, use the foam roller, don't let it use you. Try to breathe throughout the whole time. Both sides. You can go all the way down into the glutes. So here, you want to cross over, put pressure all the way into our glute. If you have some tightness in the hips, some tightness in the glutes, you can even kind of stretch that hip joint. Try to roll all the way. Get in between lower back and the glute muscle itself. A little crack right there. Feeling good. Cross over, go all the way. And we go from that to a little hamstring again. Using the foam roller, don't let it use us. Okay, stay in that little space. Go all the way to the side. The IT band is tight on a lot of people. Roll onto the inside as well. Stay at each spot for as long as you need to kind of relax. Get some of that tension foam rolled out. All the way down to the calf muscle. Put pressure with the opposite leg. All the way down to right above the Achilles. All right, do that on both legs. Next thing we're going to do is roll over onto our stomach. We'll come to a 90-degree angle with one leg, whichever side you want to start with. Kind of start rolling out that inside of your hamstring, or inside of your thigh, your adductors. You can kind of roll all the way back to the start of the hamstring if you need to, but roll all the way here. I like to adjust the foam roller all the way up into the groin area. Try to relax. All right. Then you can take it long ways. Foam roll the quad all the way up into the hip flexors. Again, using the foam roller, don't let it use you. A lot of people get tired because they're having to push around their body weight a lot of times. Just put the foam roller down. Let most of your body stay on the ground. Roll out more there. outside as well. All the way down to the shin area. Both sides. A lot of smaller muscles down there that we need to work on as well. There you go. Quick little routine you can do, and you can take as long as you want to, depending on how you're feeling, to get some of that soreness, get some of that stiffness out, help your body heal from all that dedicated hard work you've been doing. As always, y'all, thanks for watching these videos. If you have any questions, please throw those comments at the bottom. But stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy. Peace.